D36, American Eagle to Key West, D35D, American Eagle to Marshall Harbor, D35A, American Eagle to Nassau in the Bahamas, D35B, Newark, New Jersey, D25, New York John F. Kennedy International Airport, D44, Panama City, E5, Providenciales and Turks and Caicos, D50, San Salvador, E4, St. Thomas, D43, and Washington Reagan, D22. In Miami, we have two Adela's Club. One is located on the 5th level of Concourse E, and the other one is located on Concourse D, across from Gate 30, D30. Also, for those of you continuing on this flight to Caracas, Venezuela, upon arrival in Miami, you must deplane and please take all your belongings with you and just wait outside the gate. They will be reporting for Caracas about 40 minutes before departure. The airplane needs to be serviced. And if you are continuing with us to Newark, New Jersey, we'll be departing from gate D25. If I didn't mention your connection, please check upon arrival with the ground personnel or in the TV monitors throughout the terminal for any last-minute changes. Thank you. And I will also to remind you that the seatbelt sign is still illuminated in our final descent into the Miami. Please make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened and please remain seated for the remainder of the flight. Thank you. Damas y caballeros, una vez más estaremos llegando a la terminal de David, puerta número 47. Si Miami es su destino final, deberá